Welcome guys, this is the market review for UJ 9th of December to 14th of December 2024. Okay, so let me just change this template here. Clean one, right? Okay, so let's just see what happened this past week on dollar yen. I think you can see Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. This thing was bullish. Dollar was bullish. Even as we saw on the previous reviews I saw, you could see dollar was showing some strength. So basically, UJ hit its low somewhere around about there, right? Let me just use red for this. This was, when was this done? 3rd of December. Okay, so about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 last week. Okay, and then he held this range a bit. You can see that range. Like I said, you always got to look left to look forward. So he held this range a bit. You can see this level here. That was the high, I believe, of that week. Let me change this color. Let me just, sorry. Let me just change this color so it doesn't interfere. I'll just make it a gold. I like to use gold color. Okay, so basically, like I said, Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. Okay, so this was the previous week. Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. That was the high of the previous week. So we are interested in what happens between these 2 points coming in this next week, right? So here we go, Monday. You can see Monday, it broke it and just tipped above it, continued Tuesday. But when you see this dip in Tuesday already, when you're here, now Tuesday getting to Wednesday, you know you're bullish already. It's broken the previous point there. So you already know now we're bullish. And again, you can even draw a trend line. Don't underestimate trend lines, guys. Okay. So this was going to be our trend line. And this trend line is still in existence up to now. So this was Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. So from the previous week, if you had a trend line, it would be showing you this thing is bullish. But anyway, like I'm saying to you, this break of that, and look at this dip again. This dip in here shows you once again this thing was bullish. You could have even drawn another trend line from here. This was Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So showing you it's still going up. Okay, so basically UJ, as you can see, it's been in a bullish channel going upward this previous week. Okay, that's basically what's been happening. Now I want to show you the trades that you could have taken. If you've signed up with one of my brokers and done a deposit and you've sent me that email, then you'll get the exclusive stuff now where I show you the trades you could have taken as well as the trades which I expect. Okay, so if you've signed up, then you can watch the rest of this video. Okay guys,